Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation that you see here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the garage door opener are located, where you can find them guys, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys, we'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, for the garage door opener, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW X3, X4 that we have here. By the way guys, as you know, X3, X4, they share the same platform, so it should work for both vehicles. First, we need to work in 2 different fuse boxes. The first one is located on the passenger side. Open the passenger door, open the glove box, empty the content on the very back. In the very back on the right side, you have that cover, press that tab. Pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do is check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, now it depends on which year, model and which option package you have. You may have all the fuses, or you may even just have one of them. We'll talk about relays in a little bit as well. But the very important fuse that you need to check right now guys, we're talking about fuse number 8. That fuse right here will need to be checked. After that you may have another one, okay, and that's fuse 45, so that's 43, 44, 45. We specifically do not have that fuse. If you open the trunk guys, okay, remove that cover on the side, lift that insulation up. Behind it you have another fuse box, excuse me. Here, if you look, you actually guys, you may have one more fuse, you may not have it, it really depends. But if you come in that row of fuses, that's fuse number 127, 28, 29, 130. Check if you have a fuse here. Now, what about relays? This car has very limited amount of relays. Almost everything is controlled by body control modules and other modules as well. So there will be no relay. The fuses are known as relay fuses. So if you have problems with garage door opener, home link not working, check these fuses first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.